excited to show you this absolute beauty of a build. This is a Sprinter 170. Starting at the side, we have rhino linered at the bottom of the van. We've got the side steps going all across. Nitto ridge grapplers are mounted on the black rhino matte black Arsenal rims. The Agile off-road lift kit is on this van. Around the front, up top, the light bar is mounted to the roof rack. We've got the CA tuned bumper with the Warn winch. Around the side, there's a side step for the driver's side. The wheel wrap ladder from Flatline is mounted to the roof rack. We've got the flare space pop-outs with the bunk windows inside of them. Around the back is a La Saguaro tire carrier and the Owl Vans monster box. Inside the van, there's a ARB air compressor. This can be used to fill up bike tires, even your van tires when you're out on the road. Side lights, rear lights, and your garage light. On this side, we have the electrical panel. And on the right side is going to be your water tank and hot water heater. Of course, the outdoor shower port. One of my favorite features is these pull-out trays. This is going to make all your storage super accessible from outside the van. These are really well made, super heavy duty. All right, let me show you the inside. So we've got swivel seats on the driver and passenger. The lagoon table. This is going to fold out to give you additional workspace if needed, and it does include that drink holder as well. Underneath the bench seat is additional storage. Up top, we've got the control panel, and in this cupboard is the Starlink. A beautifully tiled shower with the Lavio dry flush toilet. Floor to ceiling storage space. A gorgeous, super plush queen size mattress is in this van. The pop-outs do give you additional headspace. Tons of overhead storage. Look at that beautiful rattan. We've got drawer storage underneath. The 24-inch swiveling TV. We do include the Velcro strap so that it's not moving around while you're driving. There's a double induction cooktop, fridge freezer combo, microwave up top for all of your hot pocket needs. There, the regular water as well as filtered water, and of course, the extended countertop. Thank you for joining me on this week's Van Tour Tuesday. We will see you next week.